Welcome to beautiful Rosemary Beach, Florida. In today's video, we're going to explore everything this charming coastal town has to offer, from its pristine beaches and vibrant community life to its luxurious accommodations and unique shopping experiences. Rosemary Beach is a hidden gem on Florida's Gulf Coast. We'll also dive into the incredible dining scene where you can savor everything from casual bites to fine dining. And for the nature lovers, we'll explore the stunning natural surroundings that make this place a paradise. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into why Rosemary Beach is a must-visit destination. Our first stop is the breathtaking beachfront. Rosemary Beach is known for its stunning white sand and clear emerald waters. The beach walkovers provide a seamless transition from the town to the beach, making it easy to enjoy a day of sun and surf. With its calm waters, soft sand, and picturesque views, this view is an idyllic destination for relaxation, recreation, and making memories with loved ones of all ages. Next, we'll head to the heart of Rosemary Beach, the town center. This community cornerstone is filled with charming boutiques, unique shops, and art galleries. As you stroll through the cobblestone streets, you'll find an array of locally owned stores offering everything from stylish clothing and accessories to home decor and handmade crafts. The pedestrian-friendly streets make it a pleasure to stroll and discover new treasures around every corner. Shopping in Rosemary Beach is an experience in itself. The town is home to a variety of charming boutiques and specialty shops that cater to all tastes and styles. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion, unique home decor, or a one-of-a-kind souvenir, you'll find it here. Stroll through the quaint streets and discover shops like patchouli for luxury bath products, where the aromas of essential oils and handmade soaps greet you at the door. For little ones, GB's Fabulous Kids Fashions and Toys offers a whimsical selection of clothing and toys that makes shopping with children a joyous adventure. The Hidden Lantern bookstore offers a cozy retreat for book lovers, with a curated section of literature and a welcoming atmosphere perfect for browsing. In addition to books, they have a beautiful selection of art supplies and gifts. Take your time to explore and perhaps grab a coffee or sweet treat from one of the charming cafes along the way. The town center is a true reflection of the town's charm and elegance, making it a must-visit during your stay. One of the highlights of visiting Rosemary Beach is the incredible dining scene. Whether you're looking for a casual bite or a fine dining experience, this town has something to satisfy every palate. Let's start with Restaurant Paradis, a fine dining establishment known for its elegant ambiance and exquisite seafood dishes. Imagine enjoying a perfectly cooked fillet of fresh goldfish or savoring their famous lobster mac and cheese. This sophisticated atmosphere and exceptional service makes it a perfect spot for a romantic dinner or special occasion. For a more relaxed dining experience, head over to Cowgirl Kitchen. This popular spot is perfect for families and those looking for a laid-back meal. Here, you can enjoy hearty breakfasts, delicious sandwiches, and a variety of Tex-Mex inspired dishes. Their fish tacos and homemade guacamole are a must-try, and the casual beachy vibe makes it a great place to unwind after a day at the beach. In the mood for Italian cuisine, La Crema Tapas and Chocolate is a place to be. This unique restaurant offers a delightful mix of Spanish tapas and indulgent chocolate desserts. Picture yourself sharing plates of flavorful tapas like garlic shrimp and patatas bravas. The cozy outdoor patio with twinkling lights creates a magical dining experience, especially in the evening. For those who prefer a farm-to-table experience, head to the Pearl's Havana Beach Bar and Grill. This upscale restaurant offers southern-inspired dishes made with locally sourced ingredients, from their famous shrimp and grits to the mouth-watering fried chicken. Every dish is crafted with care and creativity. The Rooftop Lounge is an excellent spot to enjoy a cocktail while taking in the stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, no visit to Rosemary Beach would be complete without a trip to Alma Coffee and Tea. This local favorite serves up locally brewed coffee, artisanal teas, and a variety of baked goods. It's the perfect place to start your day or take a break while exploring the town. Enjoy your coffee on their outdoor patio and soak in the relaxed atmosphere of Rosemary Beach. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to enjoy some good meals during your trip, the dining options in Rosemary Beach are sure to impress. Each restaurant offers a unique experience, reflecting the town's blend of sophistication and charm. For those who love staying active, Rosemary Beach offers a variety of outdoors activities. The town is bike-friendly and with numerous paths and trails to explore. You can also enjoy a game of tennis at the local courts or take the kids to one of the many playgrounds. And for a more leisurely activity, consider a stroll through the town's beautifully landscaped parks and gardens. The Rosemary Beach Racquet Club is a great spot for tennis enthusiasts, offering lessons and clinics for all skill levels. One of the standout features of Rosemary Beach is its unique architecture and community design. The town's European-inspired aesthetic with cobblestone streets, charming courtyards, and lush public green spaces creates an inviting atmosphere. The homes and buildings are beautifully designed, making every corner of Rosemary Beach a picturesque spot. The careful planning and design ensure that the town maintains its quaint and cohesive look, making it feel like a true escape from the everyday. As the sun sets, Rosemary Beach transforms into a magical evening destination. The town comes alive with a charming blend of relaxation and vibrant energy, perfect for winding down after a day of exploration. Start your evening with some live music at one of the local venues. The lively tunes and talented musicians set a perfect backdrop for an enjoyable night out. For a unique experience, head over to the Pearls Havana Beach Bar and Grill. Known for its rooftop lounge, it offers stunning views of the Gulf. The Rosemary Beach Amphitheater often features local artists and events, providing a communal space where everyone can enjoy the arts and culture of the area. Finally, let's dive into the best places to stay in Rosemary Beach. This charming town offers a range of accommodations that cater to every type of traveler. For a cozy and intimate experience, check out the Pearl Hotel, a standout in Rosemary Beach. The resort exudes southern elegance with its sophisticated design, featuring stylish rooms, luxurious amenities, and a rooftop terrace with breathtaking views of the Gulf. Guests can enjoy the outdoor pool, full-service spa, and dine at the on-site Havana Beach Bar and Grill, which serves up fresh seafood and coastal cuisine. If you're looking for something more homey, the Rosemary Beach Inn provides a quaint bed and breakfast experience. This charming inn is known for its personalized service, cozy rooms, and delightful breakfast offerings. It's the perfect spot for a relaxed day with a home away from home feel. For those who prefer a private retreat, consider renting one of the many vacation homes scattered throughout the town. Southern Vacation Rentals and Rosemary Beach Rentals offers a variety of options from charming cottages to grand beachfront houses. These rentals often feature private pools, spacious living areas, and outdoor kitchens, making them ideal for families or groups. The Park District is another fantastic option, offering a selection of beautifully designed homes just a short walk from the beach in town center. With features like open floor plans, lush gardens, and easy access to Rosemary Beach's amenities, these rentals provide both comfort and convenience. Before we wrap up, here are a few things you need to know before you go. Rosemary Beach is a walkable community, so bring comfortable shoes and be prepared to explore on foot. Parking can be limited, especially during peak seasons, so consider renting a bike or using local shuttle services to get around. The best time to visit is during the spring or fall when the weather is mild and the crowds are small. Make sure to book your accommodations and dining reservation in advance to secure your spot at this popular destination. Rosemary Beach is a dog-friendly destination, but there are some guidelines and restrictions you should be aware of when planning your visit with your furry friend. The beach areas have specific times when dogs are allowed. Typically, dogs are permitted on the beach early in the morning and late in the evening, but restrictions can vary, so check out the local regulations before your visit. Rosemary Beach has parks and green spaces where dogs are welcome. These areas are perfect for a leisurely walk or playtime. Rosemary Beach is truly a destination that offers something for everyone. Stunning beaches, charming shops, delicious dining, and a welcoming community. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the best things to do in Rosemary Beach, Florida. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.